Good morning, Prairie Dogs, and happy Monday morning. Hopefully everyone enjoyed the game yesterday, and whoever you were rooting for, hopefully it went your way. But we are ready for our last week before our break, and we have a lot going on, so let's jump right in. And let's start with something that we have practiced each and every day this school year. Remember, Prairie Dogs, it is so important that every day we practice continuing to pause and to be kind. Now, remember, that means that while we're at school, present at school, we're always kind, we're working hard, and Prairie Dogs, we know if we do those things that we're going to be successful. Now, one of those ways that we can practice pausing and being kind is using the peace path. Remember, the peace path is for when we get upset that we have those options for us. Remember to take those 3 deep breaths to calm your body and your brain down, and then make the decision to either talk it out, walk away, make a new friend, or get help. But remember, K-footy, which means that we keep our hands, feet, and other objects to ourselves. So let's make sure that we continue to practice that this week, Prairie Dogs. And hopefully everyone had fun at our pause celebration. Thank you for everyone's flexibility as we had to continue to battle the fog and the mist. And we are getting ready. So starting today, and not when we get back, it is time to start making sure that we're focused on our behavior so we're earning those certificates for our last pause celebration, which is going to be in 61 days. It will fly by. So this trimester, we need to make sure that we earn 4 certificates again. So make sure you're doing your part each and every day. And remember, each day your class does not have any referrals. You color in 1 letter. And when you get to those 4 certificates, then you earn your way to that last pause celebration for the year. So Prairie Dogs, hopefully you had a good time at our pause celebration last week, and you'll enjoy the last one as well. But do your part with having great behavior. Alrighty, now we have our friends from Miss Loeb's class that are going to help lead us in our Pledge of Allegiance for this week. Hats and hoods off. Right hand over your heart. Ready? Salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, and thank you again to our friends from Miss Loeb's class for leading us in our Pledge of Allegiance for this week's video announcements. And let's not forget that this month we are working on the superpower of kindness. Remember, the superpower of kindness is that power to be friendly, caring, and helpful through our thoughts, words, and actions, even when others are not. And a perfect example of that is in the book, Kindness is My Superpower, and where we get to learn what happens when an unkind thing is said and what different ways that we can make sure that we are showing our kindness. And then don't forget, we also have our videos of Kindness is King and Don't Be a Jerk. Again, those reminders of what we need to be kind, who we need to be kind to, and what it means to be kind. And then, of course, that last video, if you haven't seen yet, I think it's going to look very, very familiar with what we do at Pioneer. So don't forget to continue to practice your superpower of kindness, as this is our superpower of the month, brought to us by our pause room and Miss Mooneyham. Again, thank you to Miss Mooneyham, who brings us our superpowers of the month each and every month for us to continue to practice. And I hope everyone was able to enjoy themselves at our family dance this last Thursday. We had an amazing time with everyone that was there. Again, thank you to all of our families that were there, all of the staff that it took to run the event, and of course, our student council and our student council advisors for all that they did to plan this event. So thank you again for an amazing evening, and hopefully everyone had an amazing time at our Neon Nights 80s family dance last Thursday. And I want to say just a great job to all of our teams again for their participation in the Battle of the Books. Again, Miss Smith shared with the group that it's not easy to get up in front of your peers and compete in the way they did. But again, congratulations to all those competed. And then again, special congratulations to the winners from Miss Luna's class. And it is Monday, and so Monday means that it is marvelous to start off another week, especially this week before we track off. So make sure that on Mondays, we show that spirit by wearing our Marvel gear. And track tryouts will continue this week. The track tryouts will be today and tomorrow after school. Today is for girls born in 2016 or after. And then tomorrow are boys born in 2016 or after. And make sure that you have your permission slip with you at time of your tryouts. This week, we do have Tier 3 intervention continuing, but because of the schedule this week, Tier 3 intervention will only be this week on Monday and Tuesday. On Tuesday, we'll continue with our celebration assemblies. Now, for our parents at home, please make sure that you do recognize that there has been a change from what was released on the calendar. There's been some changes. So the celebration assemblies on Tuesday, kindergarten will be at 8:15, 5th grade at 8:45, 4th grade at 9:15, 1st grade at 9:45, 2nd grade 10:15, 3rd grade in the afternoon at 1:15. Remember, this is by invitation only for those students that are going to be receiving a certificate. And we do have minimum days this week. Now, our minimum day schedule will be Wednesday through Friday this week because of our At Promise conferences. And our At Promise conferences, again, this will be by appointment with your student's teacher if needed. We will have early release on Wednesday and Thursday for our At Promises conferences at 12:55, and then those conferences will begin at 1:15. And then Friday is an early release as well as we track off for our February break. Now, on that Thursday, though, we do have some drills to continue practice so that we know what to do in the case of an emergency. So students will be practicing our fire drill this Thursday at 9 a.m. And then we'll have our earthquake drill at 10:30 on that same day. So we do have some drills coming up on this Thursday again so that we continue to practice all of our drills. So in case of emergency, we're safe and we know what to do, prairie dogs. And then on Friday, we do have our big flagpole, which will be celebrating our Students of the Month and then our Battle of the Books winners. And so this will be led by the students from Miss Garcia's class. We look forward to celebrating our Students of the Month and those students that were in Battle of the Books. And on this Friday, it's also Kindness Day. So again, it is the day before Valentine's. So we're going to celebrate by wearing our Valentine's Day colors and hearts, so show that school spirit for Kindness Day on Friday. And with that is our quote of the week. Together we can change the world, just one random act of kindness at a time. And that simple random act of kindness does change that person's world. And so I encourage everyone this week and always to look for those opportunities to do something kind for someone. Friday we'll also have our Principal's Progress Recess. Please make sure to wait for the all call. That will be shortly after Flagpole. And this is just, again, to recognize all of the achievement and progress that our students have made over this second trimester. Sorry for the typo on the screen. And if you haven't already done so, our rosters for March Madness basketball signups were last Friday. Again, this is for our 4th and 5th grade boys and girls. There will be a separate team for each class. And that's for our March Madness. That will begin when we get back. So I'll be taking rosters today as well. And we want to give a special shout out. Miss Lopes wanted to recognize the hard work that one of her students, Eli, has been doing this trimester. And so there you can see him with him celebrating, and you see it with his Spider-Man poster. Good job and keep up the great work, Eli. And if you haven't already done so, you still have that opportunity to buy the yearbook by coming into the school office and seeing Miss Angela, or by following the directions on the screen. And TK Kinder registration is coming up. If you have an incoming Kinder or TK student, make sure you follow the directions on the screen to get them pre-registered for next school year. And as a reminder, this is our last week before our February break. And so again, there's some reminders of things to do during the break, students, so that then when we come back, we're ready to go. Because once we get back, we go really fast till the end of the year because there's a lot to still get done. So let's make sure we're working hard this week. And during the break, let's practice some of these things that you see on the screen so that we stay sharp and ready for when we come back on March 2nd. And when we come back, it will be the week that our district will have our district play, which will be Frozen Junior this year. And so on the screen are the shows that are open to the public and instructions on how you can get those tickets. So we look forward to seeing everybody at this year's production of Frozen Junior. And this is a preview for 4th and 5th grade. When we come back, it's time to make sure that we're on the map. 5th grade, you probably remember. 4th grade, this will be new, but it'll be that reminder of what we need to make sure we need to get done before the end of the school year. And then this will also be going home to our families once we return. So don't forget, the map is coming up. Alrighty, Prairie Dogs, that's what we have for our announcements for this week. Again, this is our last week before we track off, so make sure you're working hard and getting everything done that you need to. We do have our birthday announcements that will be coming up that will celebrate those birthdays until we return. Again, let's make sure we're working hard. And remember, Prairie Dogs, each one of you is great. Just allow yourselves to be. Have a phenomenal week.